Uh-oh, got a clogged toilet? Don't worry, Orlando, we've got your back. Introducing Orlando's best toilet plumber, your go-to solution for any toilet troubles. Our expert plumbers are just a call away, ready to provide fast, friendly, and reliable service. We use the latest tools and techniques to quickly identify and fix the problem, so you can get back to your day. No clog is too tough for us to handle. Whether it's a simple blockage or a more complex issue, we've got the expertise to fix it right. At Orlando's best toilet plumber, your satisfaction is our top priority. We guarantee quick, clean, and efficient service every time. Need instant solutions? Call us now at 689-999-0002 or visit our website at cloggedtoiletorlando.com. We're here 24/7 for all your emergency needs. Clogged Toilet Repair Orlando. Instant solutions. We're just one call away from making your toilet troubles disappear. Call us today and experience the difference at 689-999-0002. Don't let a clogged toilet ruin your day. Call Orlando's best toilet plumber now and get instant solutions. Visit cloggedtoiletorlando.com or call 689-999-0002.